What's up guys, it's your boy Sam and I'm back with another video. Today's video, I got some exciting stuff to share with you guys. This is something that I've been pondering over the last few months. A couple weeks ago, I finally decided that I'm gonna go ahead and do it. So now I'm here and I'm gonna share with you guys exactly what that is. Stay tuned because that's coming right up. If you've ever seen any of my previous videos, you might know where I am. If you haven't, this is my storage unit. Before, my storage unit used to look like this. Now, my storage unit looks like this. Almost empty, or should I say, pretty much empty. So, the reason why my storage unit is so empty is because, guys, I am leaving California. Yes, that's true. You might be wondering why I'm leaving California. There are a couple reasons why I decided to do this. One reason is because I wanted to be close to family. A majority of my family is located somewhere else in the United States, and I figured right now it's best to be closest to them as possible. Reason number two, I'm actually going to be starting something completely different. You might want to know what that thing is: real estate. Still be doing this on the side. It won't be something that I'll be doing as like a full-time thing, rather just as a side hustle. I'm still going to be showing you guys pallets and truckloads that I'll be getting in the future. I'll show you guys a new storage unit that I got, how I'm going to set everything up. I also have a different plan that I want to do for this as well, where I want to create a store rather than just having a storage unit like this. Right now, I'm actually working on getting my real estate license, and I plan on using that to purchase some properties that I can fix and flip. Similar to what I do with this business, where I buy stuff to resell, I'm going to be making a lot more videos regarding my real estate adventures. However, that does not mean that I'm done doing this. My goal is to continue doing this. However, like I said, it will not be my primary focus. Now that I shared with you guys the big exciting news, let me just go through what I'm going to do with the rest of my business. Everything that you guys see in the storage unit is either going to be coming back home with me, or believe it or not, it's all getting done. I did 2 more events at the swap meet where I took all my stuff and I basically just got rid of it for super cheap. First time we went there, we did everything was $10 or less. Last weekend that we went to the swap meet, first day everything was $5 or less, and Sunday, which was our last Sunday at the swap meet, we did everything was for $1. What you guys see here is things that we couldn't sell for $1, or we just couldn't sell at all. Anything that you guys see in here right now is basically stuff that we just couldn't sell, so we have to get rid of it. Besides these big shelves and the wood that's coming back home with me, because lumber is not cheap. Let me show you guys some of the stuff that's actually going in the trash, which includes those strip lights right there, the lights that you see up there. Mind you that everything that's left over is either broken or it's missing something, so it's pretty useless anyways. These bins, there's stuff in them, as you can see. These ones as well. They're basically full of just like random stuff, all going in the trash. The bins, however, are coming home with me. There's some more back there. These also came in a Home Depot load that I got. It was a tools load. These shelves as well came in another Home Depot tools load. These guys are freaking awesome. They're 90 inches wide, so I'm going to be using these 3 along with the 5 36-inch wide shelves that I have over there for my storage unit that I got back home, because the one back home doesn't have walls like this that I can nail shelves onto. As you can see, I did here. The lumber, all of that is mine. That's all coming home with me as well, because lumber is not cheap. You guys might have noticed it if you've ever gone to Home Depot in the past few months. You can see that the price of like a 2x4 like that has gone up like $2 or $3 depending on where you live. There you have it. That's the news that I was really excited to share with you guys. I really look forward to bringing you guys along this journey with me, because to be honest, I've never done anything in real estate before. I've never owned my own property. I mean, my parents do, but I've never personally went and bought my own stuff. My dad does a little bit of construction, so I worked with him in construction for a little bit, but I'm really excited to kind of get in there and get my hands dirty and really learn the process of what it takes to be a full-time real estate investor. With that being said, if you guys haven't subscribed yet to my channel, make sure you guys do so, especially if you guys are also really considering real estate and kind of learning about what it takes to find a property, rehab a property, and sell a property. Make sure you guys hit the like button because that really helps this channel grow. Stay tuned, guys. I still plan on doing this, and I still plan on taking you guys along the journey with me. Until then, I'll see you guys all in the next video.